If anybody finds this video, it's going to be the most boring video to anybody unless you use this ChamSys lighting system. I'm doing this just in case my system ever blew up and I would need to get back to it. I'm going to go through the settings that are used on this ChamSys system. I am set up with a PC wing. I'm at the Boom Boom Room in St. Louis, Missouri. And I am under setup and then view settings mode. I'm going to go through all of them, right? So, going down, there's anything that I don't feel like we can see. I'm going to freeze it here, so if I need to freeze in the future. Boy, it's really hard to get a good look. Okay, so that is the mode. I hope this doesn't happen because this will be really hard. Okay, boy, it's hard to get. Go back to 1 and move to 5. Nope, 1 seems to be the best. Okay, I'm on program. Here we go. Can I get in there? Come on. Here we go. All right, holding this page. See this unused channels return to defaults? Yes, all had. That's something I've had to do that they had me do once when I wasn't getting this thing working. All right, let's go to the next one. Some of these I might actually want on. I just don't know what they do because it's so complicated. All right, that should be enough to pull off Windows. All right. Huh. Remove cues when removing cue stack. How about a yes on that? No, can't do it. Playback. All right. Grandmaster function. Tell you if there's anything else that's interesting. All right, that should be enough. My network is great. I wonder if I should hide that. I really do not understand the control mode stuff. Just okay. Wi-Fi. I guess it's on a console. Something, but just in case. Ports. Okay, this yes auto DMX is extremely important. DMX output, audio input. I did not know that was there. And I'm an audio guy first. All right, so this thing right here is like kind of important. This internal sound card PC, and you set it to default, then you can come over here to actually change the sound. You know, you go to this little gear icon and go through the Windows thing to find which sound card. Right now we are using a DBX 1250 USB, and boy, it sounds good. I'm gonna say thumbs up on that. All right. Time code stuff, I have not been able to use that. I personally find it very awkward and old school. Wish I had another. In COVID, I learned how to use all this stuff. Say I went to the gym and I would just watch videos and listen and read. Okay, I got that one. Now we're gonna go to view system. Under wings. I think the most important thing here is this yes auto DMX. I don't know if I can change it there. I don't know what this P2 test presets are, but everything else is just like this. So I will get a better photo of this. Go to media. Okay, so the most important thing here is this HD 10 layers. I do not need 10 layers. Oops. System, media, monitors. Good Lord, I don't even know what monitors is. All this stuff. Let's see. Oh, yeah, this is the monitors. So you watch it. So here's something if anybody's actually interested in this. To get these monitors going, like to have this one up here, so this one, then that one, and call it a full screen. That used to be my fourth. But you have to use this like negatives and stuff, okay? So let me get a good picture of that. That's very important. Okay. Users, I do nothing with users. DMX. So this one is what inspired me to make this video. So let me definitely get this, because if I lost this, all right. So everything from this side doesn't matter. It says Magic Visualizer is all it says there. And then it goes 1 through, so I got 1 through 8. I've disabled 9. We use that in the front, and I have a system up there. All right, so you start at 0 and go to 9 and just hit enabled. That's pretty much it on that. View status. Oh boy, a lot of pages. I wonder how long this thing is. 6 minutes, good. All right, so the system. Right now it's showing this. Should be a lot of pictures to take. All right, this is show file. Doesn't really matter. Show data. Wow, I never knew this was how much show data I have. I have 4,648 Qs out of 5,000. Huh. I wonder if there's a way to slim that down. We have like 10 shows that run at any time. You know what? There's gonna be somebody who enjoys this. I would actually watch this now that I think about it. All right, the on-stage speakers. I wonder if I can change that. Nope, but it shows what I got. The internet. I don't have a primary IP. Does that mean anything? Okay. Let's be still. Try to get a good picture. Okay, let's. Comms, no comms, nothing. Net console, no console. USB links, looks like I got something. PC com. You know, I don't even know what that is. Probably communications. Time code. Nothing on this page. This is where people do the fancy stuff. It's where you guys who are a lot, not smarter is a hard word to say, but just you're doing large concerts and syncing. You have a bigger team. This is like me, myself, and I, and we're doing a burlesque show that has anywhere from 50 to 100 people, and I've tried to make the most elaborate light system and sound system. So we got a board over there. It also goes to our live stream, and then there's a whole vMix system with like 6 bird dog cameras. And then up there we got I got about not six, 7 full universes. I run the spot, so I literally am doing front lights. I program it, put the lights in, and do the video. Anyway, that's it.